that certainly is a view. I'm actually in the Ravensborough National Park, and this is truly a spectacular view we have here. We're about to go and have a little bit of a walk in the bush. It's coming on late afternoon. I had a few things to do in town, so just thought I'd come and have a bit of a quick look through here. So hopefully we'll spot some creatures, interesting creatures. In we go, into the unknown. This is a giant stinging tree, and I know someone who got stung by one of the leaves, and I can tell you now, she was in pain. And when you're in here, you have to be aware of this particular tree. It's a stinging tree. The contact with stinging hairs on the leaves and stems can inflict severe pain, sometimes lasting for months. I had a friend who did that to the bush, and I can tell you now, I could still hear her scream. It was that bad. This is a stinging tree. So they sting in the bush here. We're in the rainforest. So we have to look around. Hopefully we might find a bowerbird. During the 19th century and the earlier 20th century, but mostly during the 19th century, logging was carried out in this rainforest. Just got to be careful of that. That's a stinging tree, so I don't want to touch that. But what I want to do is I want to show you the type of trees that were logged here in the rainforest. Something like this massive Sydney blue gum. You can see it is quite a large tree. The reason why this tree is still here, it looks really solid, but the timber cutters are very good at working out which trees are solid inside. This one's actually hollow. A lot of these gums do have hollow bits which make it next to worthless to cut down and to sell. Oh, gotta be careful with these stinging vines, stinging plants. I'm not exactly sure how they worked out whether the trees are hollow. Maybe they drilled a sand hole, I don't know, or tapped on it. But they worked out which tree they could cut down and which tree they didn't. But yes, it's imagine cutting that with an axe. Some sort of bird making a noise. Ooh, jungle. Yes, we've just done a circuit up the Rainforest Walk. We've done a circuit up the Rainforest Walk, and he's saying, see you later. And as it is, it's a very easy walk that was. And back to the car park. You can see this is a spectacular view of the farming country that is around here, and it is truly a spectacular view. I mean, this is amazing. Wow, they've had a bit of rain, which is good because it's all green, but you go a bit further out to Warwick, yes, when we were yesterday, it was pretty dry out there. But